Just this week, Victoria's former Chief Health Officer Brett Sutton admitted that many of the insane measures intended to stop the spread of COVID were probably never necessary. And of course, Melbourne residents spent, almost 300 days in lockdown, and Brett Sutton called that period a horror show, and he wouldn't be drawn on what kind of measures he meant that weren't necessary. But of course, we lived through it. I mean, it was absolutely insane. Children's playgrounds were closed. We couldn't go beyond 5 kilometres from our homes. There was a curfew that was never based on health advice. I mean, it's pretty frustrating after being put through so much. So many people had their businesses closed. There's a whole mental health crisis after what we all went through during COVID. To hear now that actually some of the measures weren't necessary at all.
Yeah, and he was one of the principal problems during that period. We had these extreme measures, as you say. I remember playing golf one day. On the limited days you were able to play golf, you had to wear a mask on the golf course. Seriously? Outdoors, surrounded by, fresh air and open space. To play golf, you needed a mask, and you weren't allowed to touch the pin because it might be carrying the COVID virus as well. And we remember, stupid things, as you say, like the playgrounds. I mean, it was so extreme here, and it was not based on medical advice, and that's why Victoria is still suffering. Years later, Victoria is still suffering. Yeah. Many small businesses went bankrupt during that period because people weren't allowed to go to cafes, etc. We were allowed out 1 hour a day. We were allowed out 1 hour a day to go for a walk. I mean, the whole thing was an extremist lockdown by the Andrews government here, and Victoria, as I said, is still suffering from this extreme overreaction to the COVID virus.
Just finally, before I let you go, I'm not sure if you're a Harry Potter fan, Michael, but it's been reported that HBO are auditioning for females to play Voldemort in the upcoming rebrands. The highly anticipated series is set to hit streaming service in 2027. It's already started filming, and according to reports, HBO is auditioning for both men and women to play Voldemort. So it is possible that that could be what happens. I mean, what is it with all these woke remakes, Michael? Or what are your thoughts? Are you for this?
No, well, they don't work. I mean, you can't tangle with the greatness of film history. These were great characters, great stories. They live on, and these remakes where they're trying to contemporise them don't work. They destroy the magic of these great theatrical performances. So I think this is ridiculous to do this. These things don't work, by the way. People look at these things with derision and think that's just absurd. So it'll be money down the drain, and thank goodness we're not putting any money into these new productions, Gab.
Michael Kroger, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time today.